Hello everyone, I'm Gordon Bakari25. Welcome to another video on gears. This time I'll be showing two contraptions of slightly advanced gear models, and well, I hope you enjoy. First up is the rack gear. It utilizes one gear and one brick with teeth to translate rotational movement into vertical or horizontal movement into translation. As far as I'm concerned, although this may be inaccurate, only the small black rounded tooth gears work on these. And finally, in the shape of a cannon, it's the worm gear, which is a bit screw-shaped. The way this works is that the worm gear is able to turn one of the rounded wheel-shaped gears. A worm gear cannot spin another worm gear, nor can a regular gear spin a worm gear. It is only one way round, and that is the worm gear causes itself in this case, but normally the spur gear here to spin. So to recap this video, I covered worm gears and rack gears. Worm gears are a unique type of gear where they can only be turned from the input. They cannot be turned via the output. Rack gears convert rotational motion into a linear or directional motion. That's it for this video. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.